Welcome to Primo RV Center and an introduction of a brand new Canadian debut here, new model. Well, kind of re-envisioned old model actually. This is the 191, or formerly the 191 RBS. This is now dubbed the 190 RBS, and we'll take you through the little design differences here, a little bit of customer feedback for on-the-road use, and we'll take you through some of those changes. Very exciting here. You have the opportunity with any of these 190s landing and any current 2025 landing. We are in the last week of July currently. We are bringing these units in. These are new 25s with all the updates that they're going to be making for the model year at lower than 2024 pricing. So if you are perhaps lucky enough to be just starting out in the market, looking for your first, looking for an upgrade or a downgrade, this is an ideal opportunity where you're getting the most value. You're getting more features than a 24 at less cost. That does not typically happen, certainly in the RV industry and in most things. Can that change in September when oftentimes there are new introductions and things change? Absolutely. So this is a wonderful time. If you're, again, starting out, certainly reach out to us. I don't expect these ones to last too long. Just with the updates, there were some things people were looking for, and they are our smallest, some of our lightest units. That always keeps them in high demand with a lot of our customers using SUVs. We're going to start up front here, take you through some of the little subtle changes. So we've got all new front graphics here. Love the three-dimensional graphic actually here on the Apex logo, so quite white sharp. Still with our standard very large windshield, so this makes a 19-foot coach feel much larger than it is. Also does a wonderful job of protecting the front end and cutting down those seams that you're going to have to maintain. We've got a nice high 2-foot tall stone guard here. We do have two 20-pound tanks here that will be full when you leave to go camping. From us here at Primo RV Center, we're going to have a standard battery here. There is a battery cutoff switch that is also standard. All Nanos will come with 4 very large jacks here, so full-size jacks. We have our awning running right up to our front compartment here. And within our front compartment, we're going to have our front light switch here for our LED cap, but we're also going to have all our solar connections wired to one location here. We've got a light inside here as well. A little update for 25. So we do have 200 watts of standard solar here. It is possible to upgrade that to an additional 200 watt panel should you wish at some point in the future, and not have to change anything else in terms of that charger or solar controller. So nice feature. Most folks do not need more solar, they just need better and additional batteries. So we can take you through that if you're looking to be off-grid. Standard, a little change in 2024. We had the little table here, plus the griddle, so you now have cooking. And then you have LP gas right there, so you could also use that for a barbecue should you wish, a fire pit you bring with you as well. And again, all that's done underneath your awning. So you've got the awning now literally running as far forward as they could to the front compartment to the very back corner. So you've maximized your outdoor space, which is really where you're going to live. If you're currently a camper, you know you don't spend a whole lot of time inside, but you certainly do outside. We now have the standard aluminum rims with our standard Lippert steady steps, so you've got the ability to individually anchor those steps. Beautiful new addition to the lineup. So we have our glass door here, really sharp against the white, black, and gray graphics here. So that's one of the bigger changes in terms of aesthetically on the outside, along with the graphics, and then going with a more traditional white that reflects more heat. So the big change here is that now we are a rear entrance on this 190 model, whereas the previous generation 191 was a center to slightly forward entrance where you basically came into your bedroom. So by doing and moving this door back, a couple things you're going to see in a second here when we go inside is you're going to have easy access to that bathroom. So you're a little closer to it as you walk in the door. And then your fridge is directly straight ahead. So again, loading and unloading, hitting the grocery store, they've made that easier. So that's some of the big changes here. Another big change, which we love, is the ability to have really unlimited hot water. So you've got a tankless hot water system here. So very handy if you like a little longer shower. We've got our standard Lippert ladder retainer here. So we carry the ladder in stock should it be something you want to add at any time. We are pre-wired on the back for our backup camera. Standard full-size spare tire here on the back, all 15-inch wheels here. We've got on the back side all our hookups really centralized, so for a 19-footer that's kind of what you get, which is great, so easy to find everything. Our hot and cold shower, so great for rinsing off the feet from the beach, making sure the paws on the dog are well cleaned. 30-amp service on this coach standard. We're going to have TV and satellite hookup. We have our import for water should you have it on site, and then we have our black tank flush, so should you have, again, the ability to hook up to sewer on site, very handy before you leave. You can flush everything through with the fresh water, clean out those sensors. We've got our slide out here coming out about 3.5 feet with the same large window matching across in your kitchen on the inside, so you get great cross flow here. Our very large gate valve here, so if you're leaving with a full or near full tank, you've got 50 gallons of freshwater capacity here, so really great for those long trips. And then we're going to have our onboard here for filling our water here just by our front location. I'll take you now inside here. So brand new layout, very, very exciting. We were so happy to have it. It's a layout that unfortunately, because they were redesigning it, we just didn't have the numbers of this unit that we typically do. And so there's been a lot of demand. So as we walk in, direct easy access to that fridge. Most importantly on the road, the bathroom quite often. So a huge shower here. Really would double well as kind of a foul weather area to put your shoes and boots and be able to hang up wet raincoats, being right by the door, so it can kind of do dual purpose. But then you have your storage, which traditionally they had at the back of the 191, in here as well. So again, you've got a lot of places to stash things away. Again, shoes and boots could end up down there as well. So already got some hooks on the wall. So again, especially with the Asdale lined walls here, so it's a composite, can absorb water. Again, great area if you want to hang some things on the wall. You're not going to damage anything, even if they're wet. As we come in, similarly to the previous version, when that slide out's in, I can still fully walk through this whole coach. And by positioning the slide out where it is, I'm not cut off from anything. So whether it's just getting ready for a trip, having the unit in your driveway, or on the road use, you really have that full access, which people love. So we've got all the drawers that we had for 2024 still kept. So we've got a lot of storage in here, more than previous versions, say in 23 and in past years. We have our standard Bluetooth speaker now. So again, something we can take off, recharges, just put it back in its port when you're done. We've got our huge stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet, and we do have our sink lid that goes in there as well. So you can use that as full prep space. We've got our 2-burner Greystone stovetop here, and again, a couple extra drawers here on this side. So certainly in the Nano in the kitchen on the interior, probably the most drawers and cabinets. So you get a lot of extra space here by virtue of moving the kitchen. Another reason they did it. So again, they're packing more storage in here and giving you that ease of use at the back. We have our 3-speed standard fan as part of our off-grid, as well as AC should you have power on site. And then we have paired that with our Stargazer option. So we have a separate video on the Stargazer here. Works really, really well. You have both a screen as well as a blackout to pull across. And if you are going off-grid at some point, you will find that brings in a tremendous amount of fresh air when you don't have that air conditioning to draw from. Plus you have all these windows in terms of the cross ventilation. And then you've got that huge windshield here on the front, bringing in just a ton of airflow. So we've got a 50-50 setup here with our queen bed, where we do have half storage in the front compartment, and then interior-wise, you've got lots of storage underneath there for bags. And then all the same storage around our window here, so lots on the top. You can stash away, keep things in there, sweaters especially, those kind of things you want to make sure you have for colder weather. And then we have our plugins for both USB and 120 volt on both sides of the bed. Into our dinette area, makes a wonderful secondary bed, should you need it for occasional guest. But it also makes a great spot to be able to scoot back in the corner. You can use it like a chaise lounge, and then should you wish to have a TV, we are pre-wired for television here with digital antenna on the roof, so you can use that as a sit-down viewing location. You could also have a couple chairs in here. You've got lots of room to do that with the slide. And then we do have blackout shades on all the windows. So here you'd have a double bed here that will give you enough room for anybody that's just under that 6-foot mark in terms of sleeping, so with lots of width. Easy access to storage from the top, should you want to go in that way, but you also have the 2 doors here as well. So for ease of use, and those particular posts will come right out, easy to drop that down, and away you go. So very easy unit to get ready in the driveway, set up and unload, but also much easier now to use on the road. So more features, more storage, a more functional layout, and for 2025, currently in late July 24, less cost. We'd invite you out to Primo RV Center to come have a closer look at this brand new 190 RBS in Coachman's Apex Nano ultralight series.